Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled jalapenos. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh jalapenos, 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic, some black peppercorns, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Make sure your canning jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized before you begin. Next, it's time to prepare your jalapenos. Carefully slice them into uniform rounds, about 1/4 of an inch thick. While you're slicing, start preparing your brine. In a saucepan, combine the 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then reduce it to a simmer. Now, let's get those jalapenos into their jars. Tightly pack your sliced jalapenos into the sterilized jars, adding a few garlic cloves and a pinch of peppercorns to each. Carefully pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and seal them with new, clean lids. Once sealed, let your jars cool completely at room temperature. You'll hear a satisfying pop as the lids seal, indicating they're ready for storage. Store your delicious pickled jalapenos in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, or process them in a water bath canner for longer shelf stability. They're perfect on tacos, sandwiches, or just as a spicy snack. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.